Hello everyone, welcome to Clean Tech Nap with the brand new video for today. And if you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe the channel and share the video everyone. Okay, so without further more delay, let's go to the today's chapter. So today's topic is cost. From this topic we will discuss some points. Okay, what are the points that we are going to discuss from this topic is the information regarding the cost we will discuss from here, and the golden rule of the cost we will discuss here. Okay, and what are the symbols of the cost we will discuss and find out from this session from today. Okay, the first thing is information, that what are the information that we will find out from the cost. Okay, first of all, you should understand cost is short form of control of substances hazardous to our health. Okay, and second is the basic principle of this regulation is to safeguard the health of all persons who have to work with substances hazard to your health. Okay, the basic principle of this regulation is to keep people safe from the substances, means chemicals, which can cause hazard to our health. Okay, and other point is this regulation applies to all the places wherever whoever is working with the chemicals. All right, so there are some golden rules of the cost as well. Okay, so you have to uh, understand what are the rules that we need to follow when we are using chemicals. Okay, always read product label or MSDS before. Okay, we have to understand what is MSDS and we have to read it before we use chemical. Okay, what is MSDS I have discussed on my previous video. I will put the link on this description of this video, you can go and check it out as well. Okay, and the second thing, most important thing, is wear proper clothing provided. Okay, what are the safety PPEs that you require, you have to wear it all the time. Okay, and dilute accurately chemical as directed on MSDS. Okay, do not dilute chemical however you want. Okay, always dilute the chemical what MSDS give you the ratio of dilution of chemical, you should follow that from the MSDS. Okay, and if there is any damaged containers or spillages, just inform to your supervisor. Okay, do not take any wrong action which can cause problem, so directly report to your supervisor. Okay, now always keep the product safely and securely when it's not used. Okay, and out of children. Okay, always keep the product safely, securely when not in use, and also out of the children. Okay, because children, they don't know, because the chemicals, it looks like juices, drinks, soft drinks, it looks like that. Okay, so basically we always need to keep chemicals safely where children cannot reach. Okay, and the other thing is never mix chemical to avoid toxic gas which might kill. Okay, do not mix two chemical for one purpose to work. Okay, always there is a chemical, separated chemical to work separated area, always use on that basis. Do not mix two chemical for one purpose to complete your task. Okay, also wash chemical splashes on skin with cold water and report supervisor and seek medical with product MSDS. Okay, this is very important, a point for everyone. Whenever chemical splashes by mistakenly to our body, our skin, our eyes, we have to wash it properly with cold water. Okay, we need to wash it properly. Whenever you washed and finished, you need to inform to your supervisor and you need to go to the medical checkup as well with the MSDS, with the chemical MSDS. Okay, without MSDS as well, the medical team, they don't know as well what are the chemicals and what are the reaction it might comes once you splashes chemical. Okay, so do not return unused chemicals to the containers. It means whenever you use chemical, if some chemicals are remains, do not put inside the container. Okay, just keep it there with the label bottle, just keep it there for the next use. Okay, but do not try to put inside the containers. Okay, use always label container only. Okay, so you have to use the label containers whenever you are using any chemicals. Okay, do not use other container, for example juice, food or other purposes. Okay, if you are using juice container for chemical, if you are using soft drink Coca-Cola or Fanta bottle for the use of chemical, do not use it because it's not safe, because people don't know and they think it's a juice, it's a Coke, they might drink the chemical. That's why do not use food containers for the chemical uses. Okay, always obey rules and regulation, do not use shortcuts. What are the rules you have to follow? You just follow the rules and regulation provided by the company. Okay, do not try to do shortcut for your easiness, okay, which can harm you in future. Okay, and there are some COSHH symbol that we will discuss from this point. There is a corrosive hazard type. Okay, if you see this kind of symbol on your chemical container label, that means this chemical is very corrosive. Okay, substances that can damage or destroy other substances with which it comes into contact. Okay, so this is corrosive hazard. And the other one is danger to environment. If you see, you can see from the symbol that it is shown to you fish, water and tree. Okay, that means it is danger to our environment. Okay, and there is other which is called toxic hazard. As you can see the bone of the person and the skull of the person, that means that is toxic hazard. Okay, there is a long-term health hazard as well. You can see that there is a person and all the bodies are damaged. Okay, so if you see this kind of symbol on your chemical container, that means you have to understand that this chemical can cause you long-term hazard. And the other thing is oxidizing hazard. Okay, if you see this kind of symbol on your chemical container, that means it is oxidizing hazard. Okay, and if you see this kind of symbol on your chemical label, that means this is explosive hazard. Okay, it can blast. Okay, and the other one is flammable hazard, which can cause you a fire incident or fire danger from the chemical. Okay, and there is other which is called irritant hazard. Okay, this chemical, if you see this symbol, that means this is irritant hazard. Okay, and if you see this is a, you can see that there is a gas, the gas bottle or gas can there is there. Okay, if you see this, that means that chemicals is under pressure, gas under pressure. Okay, so these are all the symbol of COSHH. Okay, so with this information we end the session for today, and I believe that this session gave you some good information regarding the topic that we discussed on this video. And if you guys have missed my other videos as well, you can find out all the link in this video's description. You can find out there and you can check it out as well. And at the end of the session, if you guys have not subscribed yet my channel, please make sure to subscribe it. Your one subscribe can really motivate for myself to give you more good content regarding the cleaning field.